My brother Andrew.
Knackered. I just hiked down there.
Yeah.
I hiked back up
Yeah.
and not really fit.
You know.
No, I think
Yeah.
fat boys don't lie. Tired as hell.
Terrible, mate. I gotta say, it's terrible.
Couldn't stay on me.
Like I said to you the other day, once upon a time you was an athlete. You know, you were my training buddy. Look at you now. What went wrong? How are you feeling?
Feeling rough.
You feeling rough?
Had the shits.
I heard you in the toilet.
It was like a volcano.
Yeah. Do you know what it reminded? I was in the toilet next door. I'm gonna pee. Do you know what it reminded me of?
What's that?
Do you know the squirty thing on the next door next to you? Overpowered. I thought I thought you were squirting the squirty thing, which is overpowered. Didn't realize it was your ass. Oh, mate. Lean over the railing. Push your ass out. Ready? Go. Yo, Andrew, what are you doing, mate? You leaving me?
No. I just midway down the holiday there, so segregate dirty to clean, estimate how much clothes I need for the rest of the time.
Yeah.
So I'm having to repack now, reorganise.
Yeah.
It's all about organisation.
Yeah.
So just getting the dirty, clean, boom. That's how we roll.
Mate, you're a weirdo.
Mate, yesterday, as you can see from the past videos, I was down and out. I was flowing like the Niagara Falls from my rear, but a couple of Modiums, an Australian burger and chips, went to bed, woke up, feeling a bit refreshed, stomach's not too good, still a bit of a cold, but you can't keep a good man down. You know, I do like to refer to myself as the Rocky Balboa. I get knocked down, I get back up, I get knocked down, I get back up. You know, I'm fighting fit, I'm pushing on, I'm moving in that track next.